This is a soccer field. I'm here for getting typewriter. The seller will be here from the Harrisburg. I'm from the Delaware. It's a huge soccer field. I think it's for the travel team. It's all grass. I guess at least like how many field? It's like at least they got more than 20 field. Huge, right? We will meet 6B field, so very close to here. There's a 6. So when my son was in the high school, he was in the soccer team. So at that time, I went to several soccer fields like this in Delaware, Pennsylvania, Maryland. Yeah, it's huge. So every state, I think, like this huge field a lot. Yeah, 6B, maybe around here. There's a 5. Okay. Continental portable typewriter. According to the serial number, I guess it was manufactured in 1929. Very beautiful condition. It looks like German, right? See, the key Y is here, the Z here. So, and this is backspace. Some the name. The painting. It's not good condition, but you can see the what is it called. Then this log and Continental. Ribbon direction change like this one, like this. And then the old version has the like 2 round like this one. This is carriage release button, and then this is paper feed release. Okay. And then just right side the knob, no left side. The old one, a lot of typewriter has no left side knob. Then of course this is like this one. Then paper bag. This one is good, but this side it's not foam, so easily fall down. Still, this side logo is good. Continental. This carriage movement is very soft. Let's see. Let's see behind. I took up the behind the cover in order to look at the margin setup, because this is a little bit special. unique. Normally margin setup like this, right? Just margin stop and move, right? But this side, if we move this one, the bell move together. This is a bell, like this, right? So that's a little bit cute. And so that's why I want to look at this one. So I took the outside this cover, yeah, and then there is a serial number. Normally the Continental portable typewriter start with all, but early version there is no R, like this 006353. There are another one at the top here, right? So two place here and here, the same number. So without all, it start just number. It's a very old version. I think it was manufactured in 1929 or maybe in 1930, but I'm sure it was manufactured in 1929. I watched several other people's typewriter. The early version like this, but later version there is a big paper supporter, like a big one. Okay, and then also two around this one. It's normally early version. Later they changed this part to like a flat. So okay, it's very smooth. See, so this material around here is very good, I guess. See, very smooth and very good. Okay, then let's see this side. Okay, then this one for the this one variable right now, set up like this. Then you can see the but up here like we can change the variable line space, but this one that's like a regular one. Then mainspring here. I didn't change the old the draw code. Okay. I bought this from the one gentleman. He lives in the around the Harrisburg, so it's far from my house. So his daughter plays soccer. So for the game, they got a chance to visit close to the Philadelphia. So when they came to the camp or a ground of a game place, we met there. So I save a lot of the time and money. Also, he gave a very big, huge discount. So yeah, he didn't know about the history of this typewriter. He got I think estate sale, something like that. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's just see some typing. Okay.